Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Install the holder. Connect the stone vacuum and Cavi handpiece to the machine. Connect the stone vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. Press the stone vacuum and Cavi function button. Set parameters, time range 0 to 60, 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Vacuum, suction time range 0 to 2, release time range 0 to 2. Those can be freely adjusted. When suction time and release time are not 0, and the suction time is longer than release time, the handpiece is at suction and release mode. Cavi, NS level range 0 to 10, 2 to 7 is recommended. The higher the NS level is, the stronger the sensation of heat and tenderness will be. Mode selection. M1 mode. The handpiece emits ultrasonic waves constantly after the stop button is pressed. M2 mode. The handpiece emits ultrasonic waves discontinuously after the stop button is pressed. The Cavi function of the stone vacuum and Cavi handpiece can be used alone. You just need to detach the vacuum cup and then set the parameters of Cavi function. Apply essential oil or gel evenly to the area before the treatment, because there will be no added output if the treatment is performed on dry skin. Press button to start the treatment. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at constant suction mode. Press the stone vacuum and RF function button. Set parameters, time, 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Vacuum, the suction time and release time can be freely adjusted. When suction time and release time are not 0, and suction time is longer than release time, the handpiece is at suction and release mode. RF 2 to 7 NS level is recommended. The higher the NS level is, the stronger the heat sensation will be. Mode selection. Normal mode. The red light is on at the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after the stop button is pressed. Pro mode. The red light is on at the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after the stop button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. The RF function of the stone vacuum and RF handpiece can be used alone. You just need to detach the vacuum cup and then set the parameters of RF function. area evenly before treatment. Do not use thick cream products in case there's a blockage. Press button to start the treatment. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at constant suction mode. Press Storm, Bio and Photon function button. Set parameters, time, 20 minutes on sharing is recommended. Endless level, 2 to 7 is recommended. When the leftmost bar is chosen, you can adjust the endless level of all the 6 paths of Storm, Bio, and Photon simultaneously. When you want to adjust the endless level of a certain path, you just need to choose the corresponding bar, and then press the buttons on the rightmost side. Bio mode selection M1, constant endless output during the treatment. M2, discontinuous endless output during the treatment. Photon mode selection P1, the light is constantly on during the treatment. P2, the light flashes during the treatment. Press button to start the treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize